Welcome learners in the series of videos on topology. We are looking at countability properties and today we will see what are second countable spaces and few examples. So let's write it down. Second countable spaces. Second countable spaces. Okay, so we will take few examples. Let's see some results also we can improve. Okay, so let me just put up a definition for this first. So definition: so topological space X, topological space say X is said to be second countable if something happens. What happens if the topology on this space X has a countable basis? Okay, so if the topology of X admits a basis, means that has a basis, say script B, that is countable. In short, the topology on X should have a countable basis. Basis definition we have already seen. You can go through the videos in the playlist. So if a topology on X has a countable basis, then we can say that the space X is second countable. Okay, as an example, let us take R with usual topology. Okay, now any guesses, is it second countable space? And of course we can show that this is RU, that is R with usual topology, is second countable space. Okay, and to show that this is a second countable space, we should give a countable basis. Okay, and as a hint, let me give you the countable basis. Let me write this as script B is equals to, you take set of all those open intervals. In fact, the basis for RU is open intervals, right? AB belongs to RU. But in this case, you take set of all A comma B, these open intervals, such that this A is less than B, and you take this A and B from the rational numbers Q. Okay, so this is countable spaces because you can say that this is nothing but Q cross Q. Q is countable and the finite product of countable spaces is also countable. So to see that this is countable is very simple. Now show that this is the basis. Okay, show that this script B is basis for R with usual topology. Okay, so once you show that this is a basis for RU, already as I said, this is countable. That means this has a countable basis. So R with usual topology is second countable space. Okay, now if you take a discrete space, say, let us take an example. Let us take a discrete space. Okay, so let X be with discrete topology. Okay, now when or how or where how this X will be a second countable space. Okay, so let me just put that when X will be second countable. That means, remember discrete topology, it's a power set of X. And you know what are the basic elements in that topology? Okay, so let me ask you when this X is second countable space. Okay, and then as an obvious question, what is the relation? What is the relation between first countable and second countable species? Second countable species. By this, I mean, is every first countable space a second countable space, or is it true that if you take a second countable space, it is always a first countable space? Okay, so for this, we can have an example. So we already proved that R with low limit topology is first countable space. Okay, but you can show that this R with low limit topology is not a second countable space. That means this is not a subset of second countable spaces. But if you have a second countable space, you can always show that it is the first countable space. Okay, so let us take that as the result one. The result 1, every second countable space, the X is first countable. So if we have a second countable space, that is always first countable. Okay, so let us as a hint I will give some points for you to prove. So let us take X to be second countable space. So let X be second countable space. Okay, we need to show that it's first countable, means at every X it has a neighborhood basis. Okay, so let us take this to be the second countable space, and since it is second countable, let script B be countable basis for X based on the topology on X. Okay, now let us show that this X is first countable, and to show that X is first countable, let us take a point in X. So now let X belongs to X. Now for this X, we need to get the neighborhood basis. Okay, so for this X, let us take the script B suffix X to be set of all those elements in this basis, say B belong to script B, such that this B is a basis, B is the neighborhood of X, that is X belongs to B. And of course, you are taking this as a some elements from the script B, that means this will be the subset of script B. Okay, so we know that this script B is a countable set, and you are taking a subset of countable set. That means the subset of countable space is countable set is countable. That means Bx is countable. And secondly, you show that this Bx is the neighborhood basis for X. Okay, so let me just put that. Show that here. Let me just put this a bracket. Show that first point. Show that this Bx is countable, and secondly show that this Bx is neighborhood basis for X. So if you show this, then we can say that this X is first countable at x, and since this x was arbitrary, we can say that this x is first countable, and hence every second countable space is first countable. Okay, so this bracket thing you try to prove. Let us take another result. Same thing, I will use some exercises, something for you to write to prove. So say result 2. In the previous video, we have proved that subspace of first countable space is first countable, and same thing happens for second countable space. So every subspace of second countable space is second countable. For this also I will give you some hints. Okay, let me not write in properly, I will just write. Now since we have that space x to be second countable space, we have the countable basis for that x. Okay, you take a subspace y of x, and for that you write the basis to be by is equals to set of all b intersection y such that this b belongs to strip B. This will be a countable basis for y, and hence the subspace y will be second countable. Okay, so show that this is the basis for y, and if you manage to show that this is the basis for y, that means y is second countable and you are done. Okay, so try to prove it. Let us write the third result. As in case of first countable space, we have proved that product of two first countable spaces is first countable, and also same thing is for second countable spaces. Okay, so if x and y are second countable, then the product x cross y is second countable. That means product of two second countable spaces is second countable. Again, for this, since x is second countable, we have the countable basis say bx. Also, since y is second countable, we have countable basis say by for x and y respectively. Okay, and then from this bx and by, get the basis for x cross y. So of course, if bx is countable, by is countable, that means if you get a subset of this or product of this, it will be countable. Okay, so that will be the basis for countable basis for x cross y, and hence x cross y will be second countable space. Okay, so you write it down, prove it, and let me state another result. Now previously we have showed that continuous images of first countable space is first countable provided some conditions are there. Now in this case, open continuous image of a second countable space is second countable. So open continuous image of second countable space is second countable. Okay, so try to prove this also. So we have seen what is second countable space, some examples and some results. In the next video, we will show that every compact matrix space is second countable. So if we have any compact matrix space, we can always say that it is second countable space. Okay, so let's see you in the next video.